Good afternoon. We are down here at Friendship Cove Community Room, down here at the main lodge, and I'm Chef Andy, and today we are going to make key lime pie. It's a real easy, quick recipe. So we have eggs, sweetened condensed milk, we have lime juice, and lime zest. I separated 8 eggs, and here's the whites. We're going to put it, this is just a regular grand pie shell. So we're going to just put a little bit of egg whites in there, and then we're going to swirl it around a little bit. And what this is going to do, we're going to bake it off. Just swirl it around, get it all coated. And we'll just get rid of the extra. We're going to bake that off, 350-degree oven, and that's going to create like a little glaze on the shell, so when you bake it off and let it sit, it won't get, the crust will not get mushy at all. So it's a little trick a lot of people don't know. So first, that's going to take just a few minutes. So we're going to put our egg yolks in here, 8 egg yolks. And then, this is 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, which is 28 ounces. They're 14-ounce cans. And make sure you buy sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk. There is a difference. This stuff is really thick and sweet.
And yummy.
And sticky. That's why I have gloves on too, because it's very sticky.
Feel free to ask questions, everybody.
Okay.
All right. Lime juice. This is 14 ounces of lime juice. And I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And then I'm going to whisk it in. If you dump it all in at once, it'll actually cook your eggs. And it'll almost scramble the eggs. So
Can you tip that bowl?
Can you see that?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna whisk that in.
Is it fresh lime?
Yes.
Or fresh?
These are regular limes. I didn't get key limes. Key limes are a lot smaller. They're really tiny. Hello.
Hello.
More company.
Sorry,
Key limes are they're actually more yellow, and they're smaller. The skin is really thin. They don't keep as long as a regular lime. And regular limes are bigger, really bright green. These are more, actually they look kind of like a lemon, but smaller. So we'll add a little bit more. We can add the rest.
Chuck? Andy, I'm sorry. Andy, tell us now what's in there. Just
So we have 8 egg yolks, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces of fresh lime juice, and this is just lime zest from one lime. It's actually a lot, so I don't need all that. But
what that you just put in?
Lime zest.
Yeah, okay.
And that is pretty much it right there. Just those few ingredients.
Thank you, yeah.
I guess I shouldn't put that hot thing on that table.
And when you're cooking this, I notice you've got it in a baking.
Yeah, just
Baking
so you
pan.
don't spill it.
Yeah, okay.
Some people put a little water in here, like you do a cheesecake, but you don't need to. I just do it because sometimes I make a mess. You fill it right up. That's it. bake this, 350.
Why
Or
do you
about-
cook it in a pan?
Just so you don't spill it in your oven,
Oh,
it doesn't boil over. We're gonna cook that at 350 for 25 minutes, or until the thermometer reaches 165 inside. So when it's done, this is what it looks like. And if we wanna make it fancy, we'll do a little bit of this. This is just whipped cream. And some limes for garnish. That's it. How's that look?
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Real easy. Summertime's coming. Key lime pie. That's it.